Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing another video. I'm doing it on the trim again because I did make a video the last time about what I did and how it looks, but turns out I've got better trim. So basically, as you can see from this red trim here and the actual car, both of them are almost the same colour, and I've got my phone on so I know where I'm going just in case. But under here we've got the trim all the way around, and I used to cut here but I didn't. And it's going all the way along until the very end of here, but as you can see from here it's out by the tiniest little bit and I can't get it in. And for this side here, if you can see it right here, it doesn't actually fit in and I need to put tape in it, but I didn't want to do that to damage the car obviously. It goes right around, all the way around, and I took this bit off here. So right here is the last of the trim and that actually went in here. But I decided to go on Instagram and take a few looks at cars and found out that I got this stuff, which is even better. So this stuff is actually a bit more, I would say it's a bit more pale, because it doesn't, with this stuff basically matches the car. This stuff here is a bit more red. The difference already is like that compared to this stuff here. So it's a big difference, just like that. It's not the finished product, but it's in at this side all the way, and I can just literally push it, not even hard, and it's in at this side here. And with this trim I got up here, I wasn't able to get this on one side more than the other, so if I got it perfect on this side it would be hard as heck to get it on this side, but I managed. And minus this part here, it looks much better. And then I've got stuff coming that fits into these grooves here, here, and then here. And I've also got stuff coming for this bit here, and I think I've got something for here as well. I'm not too sure, I've ordered that much. So here you can see I'm using like a GoPro tripod thing. So I'm going to switch from the tripod to the chest mount here because it'll just be a bit more easy. I won't need to worry about holding the cameras and getting the angles. And yeah, so I will cut from here to me installing it. This is just like a pre-video to show you what I'm doing, and then next clip from here will be like the actual thing. Yes, okay, so I'll keep a hold of that because it was cut at the very top bit. So I want to try and get a bit that's as long as this, if not longer. I'll throw this just down here. I'll leave this just a tad longer, so I'll leave it about an inch longer, or 2 inches longer. I've never used these scissors before, so hopefully they cut good. Oh yes. So I'll keep these red bits just to keep a bit of a rough estimation. So I'm going to try it on this side first. This side's the easiest. So the only thing is having a long bit might have an effect. Okay, so I've had to use my coat to protect me from the sun because I couldn't see what I was doing. This side over there, I'll work on that. I'm sure that's like 99% done, but there's 1% that I'm not satisfied with. Getting the trim here and over here was perfectly done as well. Getting to here, I cut here, and up here I finally managed to get that in. I cut that as well too. But so far I'm actually quite satisfied with the difference. You can actually noticeably see a difference with that. I'm going to move on to this now, which is probably going to be a bit more easier, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so got the chest mount on. Don't know how well you'll be able to see it because it's not a very good angle, but right, so taking it off. So I'm using the old thing here. So this is a new one and this is the old one, and there's much more difference. So I used the old one to get these off. So like this, I've cut here, but it's not actually the best fitting. And here, like this is how bad it is. So I'll show you by doing this. I can pull it. It wasn't actually attached into anything, which is the worst part. So let's get all this off and get that away. Hopefully this is a bit better stuff. So I'll start at the top just to get a rough idea where I'm going. I might, after I put this on, I will need to take this red trim off because I've got a sticker coming for a silver bit here. So I'm not really too worried about putting this on permanently. I'm just worried about getting a fitting. Can I just say, these scissors, I bought them for like £2 and they're the best scissors I've ever used. So I want this seam to be somewhere where it doesn't get shown very much. So, but I mean, even that is just a noticeable difference. And try not to get any of them triangle things that I'm cutting off in the car. Oh, okay, that worked absolutely perfect. That couldn't have gone any better actually. Hopefully that's perfect that amount. Okay, I've only got 6% of my GoPro left. I didn't realise how long I was actually recording for, but so far this is almost done. I just got to do a bit of work on this bit here. So far satisfied all around here. Got this bit all done, got this bit all done. I've just done this bit when the camera was off, so that looks nice as well. I'm not worrying about this too much because there's a sticker vinyl thing going here, and I managed to do the door, but it does look a bit, obviously here, and just down there you can see a tiny wee gap, and there. Here you can't get anything in, but here you can. So I've just left it like that just now, but then I've actually kind of ran out of stuff, so I'm going to need to order just a bit more, and that'll be it. I'll probably update you in another video, but so far it's going pretty good. Just thought I'd let you know the story and let you know how I get on, but so far it's a solid 9 out of 10 for me for this, because obviously couldn't get some parts done, like obviously down here I couldn't get done, but that's just because I guess for the handle. Down here to here you can get done, but then we'll have a gap there, and yeah, so perfect amount for most of the detailed areas. This side's done, but this side isn't, so I will need to get something for that. Hopefully you'll enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, don't know when that is, but yeah, see you soon.